Hey everybody, I'm back and I want to show you another quick, and I mean it is very quick, DIY. And it all is Dollar Tree. Everything Dollar Tree. Okay, first thing you're going to do is get a couple of wine glasses, and these are Dollar Tree. All of this is 'Tis the Season theme. Really cute. Very cute. Okay, then you're going to get a couple of the candle holders, which I always buy a couple of these every few weeks because I do so many different DIYs. I paint them, I've painted them, I use them for all kinds of things. Then some of their tea lights. Now, you don't have to use the real, you can go ahead and use the LED, but this is what I had on hand. So that's what I'm going to use. You're also going to get a couple of these little holly rings that they have, and they also have white ones. I'm really impressed with these. For $1.25, it's worth it. Okay? So what you're going to do, and I'm telling you, this is so fast that you're going to go, what? Anyway, okay. So, first thing. Now, you can buy, it's called tacky, and they sell it at Hobby Lobby, and it's kind of like a gum consistency. I looked for it and I can't find it. I have some, but I don't know where it's at. It's in a little green package and it's at the registers at Hobby Lobby. So what you can do is you take a little bit of that gum out and you kind of work it, and then you just put it around the rim so these don't slide off. For the sake of just showing you how to do it, I'm not going to do that, but you would want something to hold it. You know what I mean? Now, you could use hot glue. Hot glue is not going to keep it together. If you wanted to keep these together and not take them apart, then you can use E6000 and a little bit of hot glue and then put it down like that. But even that is pretty, okay? So, what you're going to do is you're going to take the holly ring, Christmas ring, whatever, and I'm putting it down into the candle holder, just like that, okay? Then you're going to take your wine glass, and now you can use this for whatever the holiday is. If they have different designs, or if you just want a plain glass with nothing on it and do your own with your Cricut, or to paint something, whatever. Or you might want nothing. And then you put it on like that. Now, there are times that when I'm decorating, I like to put it on with one high and one low, and you can do that by putting the wine glass into the little holly ring. Because sometimes I like the depth, the different sizes. I think it looks pretty when you're decorating. And that's personal preference, okay? So you could have one like this. Let me push this back just a little bit. Just like that, okay? Now, if you don't want to do that and you want to put both of them up, you can do that also. But let me light these real quick and show you what it looks like. You can also put some Epsom salts in here to make it look like snow, and then put your tea light or your LED tea light. You don't have to leave it plain if you don't want. I've done that as well. Okay? Okay? This is so pretty, and it's so inexpensive. I think it is so pretty, and I'll bring you down to show you closer in a minute. All right, so again, but if you want to go ahead and put both of them like this, you can. Okay? Now, the other thing that you can do is with these two little plates. Now, these are salad plates, but you can get the big dinner plates, which I think are like 8 inches. This one. Well, these are 7.5, so the dinner plates must be 10. But what you can do on that is you can keep, if you want, and use these this way. And again, if you wanted to keep them where you didn't want them to come apart, you could use the E6000, or you could use the tacky, just so it would stay together, you know, during the holidays. So if you want to have a party, you could put cookies on here, or crackers and cheese, whatever. You could also just put one of these down, just like I did the glasses. But I am going to, I like it this way better. The other thing you can do is you could make your own little 2-tier tray and put some crackers around here, and then put your cheese ball up here. That would be really pretty. Or you could get the bigger plate for the bottom, and you could also do, say that you had the two, okay, so let's just say you have the big plate, okay? Then you come in, and then you could make a 3-tier, which is also very pretty. So there's so many things that you can do with this, but I wanted to share this with you. And again, it could be for any holiday, it could be for no holiday. You could get just any plates that you want. But I wanted to share that with you, and now I'll bring you down so you can see it close up. Okay? Okay. And then, if you want to use it, like I said, this way, and look at, if you put one of these candles like this and the other one down, I still like the look of it. But isn't that cute? So think about that. Think about any plates that you have. It doesn't have to be this. It doesn't have to be a Christmas. It could be for Hanukkah. It could be for fall. It could be Halloween. It could be for a birthday. It could be whatever you want it to be. But I just wanted to show you a couple ways of using some of the Dollar Tree plates and glasses with their candle holders. Those candle holders, to me, are priceless because you can use them in different ways. They're very versatile. So I just wanted to share that with you because everyone's going to start having their Christmas parties or get-togethers, and this is just a cute way that you could put this on a table, and I think it would be really, really cute. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.